Hi everyone, we're here at the Pence Gallery and my name is Natalie. I am the director here at the gallery and it's a very special day indeed. We've invited some dogs to do a little visit here at the Pence. This is all in honor of the Big Day of Giving, also known as Big D.O.G. So we hope you enjoy their tour.
Samson enjoys a good abstract art exhibit. Pug Pug agrees. He loves to see the original works of art by some of his favorite regional artists. Pippi got all dressed up for his first gallery visit. Scrimmy was simply bowled over by all the art. Whereas all that the Pence does for emerging artists really makes Kava's heart dance. After all, 2021 has really been a year for the dogs. Pug Pug would like to thank you all for watching and scheduling your donation to the Pence Gallery. Don't miss your chance at bigdayofgiving.org from now until May 6th.